Hi guys, and how's it going on? In this video we will be discussing how to assign business unit to your workflow in HubSpot. Now before we get started, you can get a 14-day free trial on HubSpot with our link in the description of this video. So let's just hop on to our tutorial. So what are we going to be doing is that to assign a business unit to your workflow, we are in your HubSpot account. You're going to be navigating to automation and then to workflows. Hover over the name of workflow and click more, assign business unit. So you can see in the workflows we're going to be simply hover over to assign business unit, then click on business units drop down menu and select business unit. Only one business unit can be assigned to a workflow. Then click on assign. To change the business unit assigned to a workflow, hover over the name of workflow and click on more and change business unit. So you're going to be clicking on the drop down of assign business unit, and then from there you can see we have changed business unit option. Select different business units from the drop down menu and then click on reassign. Filter your workflows by business unit. So in your HubSpot account, navigate to automation again, workflows, from automation to workflows. Then in the top bar, click on business units filter. You can see in here, click in the checkbox next to the business units you want to display. So business units drop down is in here, and click on the checkboxes you want to display. Simply, like for example, we have some Luke's Coffee, Dragonfly Inn, and some Sarah, stuff like that. After that, you can organize your workflows with folders. So organize your workflows into folders on the workflows dashboard. Once created, folders will display on the dashboard with your workflows. And then create, move or delete folders, and yeah, so the rest is pretty simple. So that is the process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to do check the link in the description of this video to get a 14-day free trial on HubSpot with our link. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friends.